Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Petra. Before you start brooding your next batch of birds, there are some critical things you need to have in place. Let me quickly run through them. Get knowledge on poultry farming. Identify your target market. We're focusing on this today. Have the required funds. Identify your farm or cage. Prepare and disinfect your brooding space. Set up the brooding space with necessary equipment. Book for your birds. Have feeds and medication on the ground. Do a market survey. Be aware of the weather conditions. Now, in today's episode, we're diving deep into one of the most important points on this list, identifying your target market. We'll cover the others in upcoming videos, so make sure you're subscribed. Let me tell you a story that honestly broke my heart. Just yesterday, I saw a post on X from a farmer calling for buyers. According to the post, they had about 700 broilers from December that they couldn't sell during Christmas. This is about 6 weeks after Christmas, guys. I felt that pain because I know the stress of broiler farming, not to talk of the expenses. And here's the thing. This story is consistent with a lot of broiler farmers. You do a fantastic job raising your birds, and then the challenge of finding off-takers hits you. It's honestly difficult most times to get buyers, especially if you have a large number of birds. This is why identifying your target market before you start is absolutely crucial. Do a market survey first. Before you brood those chicks, ask yourself these questions. Who do I want to sell to? How do they want the birds? How much are they willing to pay? What size do they prefer? Where can I find them? These questions will help you plan properly. They'll help you know the breed to stock, the size of birds to raise, when to start advertising, where to advertise, and how much profit margin you can set. Now, let me break down the different customer segments you'll encounter in this business. Customer segment number 1, seasonal buyers. These are customers who buy chicken during festive periods or special holidays. What they want: matured birds of 7 to 12 weeks, usually buy a minimum of 5 birds. Why you will love them? They mostly pay well. Payment is usually immediate. You can find these customers mostly through referrals, online platforms, and within your community. Try to maintain good relationships with such customers because they'll keep coming back. Customer segment number 2, bulk buyers for home use. These are usually high-profile customers who buy and store chicken for their household consumption. Here's what you need to know. They are mostly gotten through referrals because they already have existing suppliers. You may have to go the extra mile to win them over. They like to consult with their spouse before buying, so it's good to be on good terms with the couple. Keep a good relationship, but don't allow them to owe you. Customer segment number 3, the Mongers, the middlemen or resellers. These customers can be tricky, so pay attention. Characteristics: they buy in bulk, but mostly on credit. They offer very low prices. You may have just 5 to 15% profit margin. They usually go for birds within 4 to 5 weeks, at most 6 weeks. The danger: some may end up not paying completely or take months to pay. Be very careful with this segment. When they are useful, they are mostly your go-to when your birds have health issues or you're out of funds to feed them. If you're a panic person, you will most likely fall into their hands. A few tips: if you don't mind very low profit margins, you can target them within your community. A few of them will pay immediately if you negotiate well and your birds are healthy and weighty. Customer segment number 4, B2B customers, cold rooms, restaurants, eateries, fast food joints. If you're into poultry farming full-time and have sufficient funds, these are the customers to target. Why are they great? They buy in bulk, more consistent with payments and orders, they operate professionally. The requirements: some may require you to have a business account and other ledgers. They mostly buy per dressed weight. They have strict standards for dressing and minimum weight per bird. If you miss their standards, they may never do business with you again. The challenge is, you must follow their standards religiously: dressed weight and neat dressing. They have other existing suppliers, so competition is high. There are administrative issues, payment approvals, processing, and sometimes personal sentiments from staff. Customer segment number 5, regular customers, neighbors, family, friends, colleagues. These customers usually buy 1 or 2 birds at a time, but don't underestimate them. Why are they important? They are your biggest source of referrals. Keep a good relationship with them and inform them whenever your birds are ready. Things to watch: Some may want to buy on credit or at very low prices. If you set up your business model properly, you won't be their victim. They'll mostly pay instantly, but will ask for discounts or even free chicken. Lol. And honestly, that's okay. So, there you have it, the 5 main customer segments for poultry farmers. I hope you learned something valuable from today's episode. My advice, always stick to your standards and raise good birds. You never know who will place that bulk order. Before I go, I want to hear from you. What's your preferred customer segment? Drop your answer in the comments below. And remember, we still have more topics from that list to cover, so hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode. Until next time, keep learning with Petra. See you in the next one.